Hi guys, welcome back to GarageTech with me, Darren. This video is a quick video just to have a look at the difference in weight between the genuine Porsche. These are the 19-inch Spyder wheels. It's one of the lightest wheels that Porsche made in 19-inch. And compare them against these BBS Motorsport CH-Rs. So I've got two different types of tyres, so that will make a difference. So on the BBS, I've got Michelin Sport Cup 2s. And on the Porsche Spyder wheels, I've got Michelin Pilot Sports. So they're both exactly the same in terms of tyre size. So 265 35 ZR19 on the rears. So exactly the same. And then on the fronts, we've got 235 35 ZR19s. So they're both exactly the same tyre size, again 19 inches. So yeah, I'm going to show you what the weight difference is. Okay, so starting with the Spyder wheel first, this is the rear. 22.5 kilos. Also, bear in mind, I've got more tread on these Spyder wheels compared to my BBS. So it's 22.5 for the rear. It's 23.5. So about 1 kilo difference. And front Spyder. Again, I've got more tread on the tyres of the Spyder wheels. So that's 20.5. .20.8, 20.9 there. So there you have it. So yep, the Spyder wheels are lighter, not by a lot or huge amount, but I have got more tread on the Spyder wheels with the Pilot Sports compared to what I've got on these Cup 2s. So yeah. Either way, both a great set of wheels, so perfect for doing track days. Cool. All right, guys, quick video there. Hope you enjoyed it. Keep watching, and I'll upload some more stuff soon. Take care.